He has to come to Goa to learn swimming.
I'm
And
learning.
Go to Philippines.
it's a kind of gravy. And one more is
Patal Bhaji.
patar bhaji. So I don't know what is it.
River joins the beach over here, so it's very beautiful sight.
So after rainy adventure yesterday, today we are bidding bye-bye to Candolium and moving towards the northmost part of Goa, that's Mandrim. We found a really exciting and cheap property very close to the beach. It was 1 BHK with big living room and a separate working space. The Wi-Fi was good, the kitchen was equipped with basic utensils, and the best part, the beach was just 5 minutes walk away. And all this just for 1000 rupees per night.
This day was a working day for us, but the next day started like this.
Today we are going to one quarry which was suggested by our Airbnb host, and let's see how is it. So after driving for almost 2 to 3 kilometers, we have around 5 minutes of walk, I can say. So we are walking towards it.
So yeah, there are many ponds where it fills up during the rainy season usually. We didn't know about this. This is our Airbnb host, Tyron, and he brought us here. So he thought maybe we are good swimmers, so he brought it us here. But we are not. But yeah, definitely we are going to get down. Finally, Aish is learning swimming in Goa.
It's a little, yeah.
He has to come to Goa to learn swimming.
I'm learning.
Go to Philippines.
And go to Philippines. She can't learn in her hometown. If you are a good swimmer, you will really enjoy this. If you are swimmers like us, you will still enjoy, but little less.
So we have come to a very local restaurant, I can say a restaurant or dhaba kind, to try her local Goan breakfast.
For our breakfast, we are going to try tomato bhaji, which is basically a mixture of tomato and it's a kind of gravy. And one more is
Patal Bhaji.
patar bhaji. So I don't know what is it. Let
It's
it come.
basically with gravy and it has this osane. It's like kind of green peas.
Green peas. Okay, so
That's all.
I am very hungry, very hungry because it's almost 11 o'clock.
It was so delicious and the pricing is really reasonable. It is just 30 rupees for the gravy and 4 rupees for the pav, and maybe coffee is around 15-20 rupees.
After this, we went home and we took a nap. And later in the evening, there was again surprise waiting for us from our Airbnb host.
So our Airbnb host was very generous, so he lended his 2 cycle for us for an evening ride in Mandrim.
We went on to explore interiors of Mandram, and these narrow roads covered in cashew trees were just beautiful, and it was an amazing trail. After a refreshing cycle ride, we went to beach, which is just 2 minutes walk from our Airbnb.
But that's our Airbnb behind that.
There is a river and there's a beach. River joins the beach over here, so it's very beautiful side. One side it's very calm river, and other side it's a violent beach. There is very less crowd over here, and the weather is really pleasing because since morning it was raining. Right now it's very cool.
And there are a lot of doggies.
Doggies are playing.
Ashwalam is really peaceful. Beaches are like vacant. It doesn't feel like Goa where it is more crowded and all those things. You can see it's perfect evening. Perfect way to end the vlog. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. We'll bring more content like this, and please help us reach more and more subscribers. I'll leave the link above so that you can follow the same itinerary. There are 5-6 videos from our Goa trip, and it's not your usual Goa trip, it's all offbeat Goa trip. Until next time, take care, bye bye. Nothing will happen.